So before AI, right, we need to understand what is intelligence and examples of intelligence. What is AI? History and evolution of AI, applications and current trends. So we are not going to spend more than 5 minutes on that. So intelligence refers to an ability to learn, understand, and apply the knowledge, and it involves problem solving, reasoning, abstract thinking, and adaptability. So this is a general definition, okay? But try to think for a while, what is intelligence actually? Okay. So intelligence builds an ability to solve a problem, think out of box, think beyond. Okay. So I'll tell you an example. So on the first day of your coding, you might be struggled. After 7 days, 10 days, 1 month, 2 months, you your struggle is something different, but definitely not as you want day one. Correct? So right from installing a particular software, right from developing some examples or code deploying, the challenges are there. But the challenges what you faced on day one, definitely you will not be having on day 7 or 10 or 1 year or 2 year later. Correct? That is the example of intelligence. You take an example of swimming. Day one, your problem is like you are having some scare. Okay. But on day two, day three, the problem is not on scare, trying a different style, back swimming and all. Okay. Jumping from the height. Similarly, painting. On day one, you struggle to mix the colors. But after 1 month, your challenge is not that because you have the intelligence on what you are doing. So, intelligence is right data with right experience, which means it's not only artificial intelligence, we are coming to the point, but you have to understand what is intelligence. So on day one, you are learning something that is experience with the right data. Right data means whatever you are trying, right? For example, you are parking a vehicle in a mall. First time when you are going, you struggle to find a route. But if you go 2 3 times, you know how to go to a particular basement, and you gain that knowledge with your experience, right? That is intelligence. Okay. So hope you everyone understood what about intelligence. Then you can try remembering these things. And intelligence is not limited to or subjected to a particular image. For example, you are seeing a person, sometimes you feel like, okay, I have seen this guy somewhere. But if you see a particular face, familiar face, your intelligence works instantly because you have the right data with right experience on that particular person, but not on the other person. Correct? It can be a symbol, it can be a face, text, language, whatever it is. So just for few seconds, think about recognizing a voice. Few voice, your family, your friends, your colleagues, right? You instantly you recognize them. But someone's voice, right, you would struggle. Correct? That is where the intelligence difference. Similarly, I told about parking lot and first line of coding, mobile phone. Yeah. So whenever you take a mobile phone, right, on day one you find the features, which feature is there, what are the things are there, how to navigate and all. Within 1 or 2 days or a week, it becomes an automation. Automatically your mind get that intelligence. Swimming, speaking a new language, it's a very good example. Okay. So whenever, for example, if someone coming from Delhi to Bangalore, day one he struggles to understand what's going on with the Canada, but over a period of time it becomes simple. Similarly, dance, facial makeup also, when you're trying your makeup on first time, you do some mistakes but you learn. So this is what actually intelligence.